Hello everybody, this is Steeler Assassin, or as you know on YouTube, Minecraft Massacre, and I'm back with another video. I don't know, I wanted to make another Happy Wheels video because, I liked my other one, and I like Happy Wheels, and I don't know, I just do. And so, I'm gonna make a video. And, this video, I guess I'm gonna do about this one. I just picked one randomly. Let's see, let's go with Irresponsible Dad. Yeah. PewDiePie. I like PewDiePie. Ah, he axed himself in the face. Hey, who? Ow! Where'd the sword go? Oh my God, the sword's up my butt. If you can see that. What? Pineapple? What? Oh, that's a dangerous weapon. Ugh! Oh my God, that. Oh yeah, I crushed your head. Melons? Yeah. Oh my God, the sword went into my kid's head after it was in my butt. That is retarded. I don't know why I've been coughing so much lately. Let's see, what other ones are there? Let's try this one. I don't know. I don't know if. Oh yeah, I did this one earlier. Oh yeah, stupid kids. They're always useful. You see. No! Oh my God! What the heck? Oh my God. Okay, let's see. Nope, nope, nope. I got my kid in the head. Nope. Ah! Ow. I mean, it didn't hurt me, but it's like. Let's try it. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 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 I haven't even lost a kid yet. Oh God, huge ones. No, 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 no. Okay. I didn't even get into the JB section. That's good. Ah! I didn't even get hurt once, and then that one rips me apart. And now you can see my intestines right there, if you can see my cursor. Anyway. Oh my God! I suck. I didn't even get past JB level. I'm worse than JB. No, I don't want to be worse than JB. Come on, come on. Oh, that was the worst mistake in my life. I'm about ready to just quit this one. Yeah. I lost my arm. And then that one went off when my head hit it. Come on, come on. Nope. I'm dying too much. It's making me cough for some reason. Oh well. You beat me, Cuber Whizzes. Okay. Only cheaters can. Well, let's see if this. I'm not a cheater. I'm just. Okay, I might cheat in Minecraft, but that's it. Oh, so laggy. What the heck? Can only cheaters do this? And why is there only kids and moms? I need lawnmower guy. That'd be awesome, but I don't know if I can choose a character. And why is there a kid right in front of me? Is he like? I don't know. He was. There's no way. I believe I can do this. Come on. Just need to get all these bodies out of the way. That stupid little brat stuck right there. I don't know where exactly that is, but there's like a whole bunch of little kid bodies. Man. Come on. Yeah, lawnmower guy could finish this like nothing. It wouldn't be impossible for him. It's funny because like even with the freaking thing on lowest quality, it's like still impossible to play now. It's so laggy. No, come on, come on. What the heck? What? Oh, it's these stupid like little kids stuck on me. Get off, you stupid little brats. These kids are not useful. Come on. Oh my god, I lost my arm. Hey, but the kids are off of me now. Yes. Well, let's see if I can do anything now. Oh, did my head just get... No, my head's still there. No, my helmet! And now I'm back here. Come on, come on. Get over. I believe I can do this, I think. Oh, now I got a leg stuck in there, in my wheel, or whatever. Great. Come on, launch me. Back. Okay, that was a front flip, I think. Yeah! I believe I can fly. Oh, no! I look just like that crawler off of The Walking Dead now in the first episode, I believe it was. I'm actually gonna go. I heard there's a season 3 trailer. I'm gonna go check that out afterwards. What? Oh, I could have done that. I could have done that. Well, I still got 4 minutes to do it. So, hey, lag. Come on, come on, come on. We can use these bodies as cover. There's still a little kid stuck on me. Yes! Victory! Yes! Oh, I think the other one was a fake then. I'm not a cheater though, so I beat this. I beat you. Let's see who made this. This penguin. What's with the Z's? Cube is, yeah, he had a Z in his name too. I don't care where he did though. Didn't. Saw. Oh yeah, I played this one too, but I haven't even beat it, but I'm gonna try. Just for you guys. Nope. Oh yes, it takes forever to get off. Nope. Oh, whew. That would have hurt. Come on, let me go. Oh, this looks so wrong to me for some reason. Ugh. Oh god, dang it! Can't let me off. Nope. Oh god, I almost lost my head. No! Oh, not there. That's not fair. Why would you do this to me, Saw? This is worse than any kind of pain. Okay, well this does hurt, but I mean, like I can't move, and now I don't have any balls or nuts, and now it's swinging me. Ah, I'm upside down now. Please just let me go, please. Oh my god. Great. Now I'm ballless and like penisless. Huh. Dang it. Touching the ground. Let me off. Let's try again. Oh, such a good start. No! Oh, my head. Oh, that would hurt. No! Oh, holy, that was so close. Yes! Yay! Okay, I don't really care, but still, I got a victory. I beat you, Revan 717. Let's see. 99 impossible hard. I got like a minute and 10 seconds to do this one. Oh my god, I saw Uber Haxer Nova do something. No! Oh! I saw Uber Haxer Nova do something like this. Nova, or whatever his name is. James, I think. That's his name. I suck with Pogo guy. Come on! Oh my! I wanna see a replay of that. I don't even know how. Okay, I think my head hit the thing. Let's see. I hit that. And then at one point, yeah, I flipped that over. Yes! Oh my god, this stupid brick thingy broke my head off. Or whatever it is. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to go because since I don't pay for anything, I have like it's only 10 minutes, and so it's almost 10 minutes already. So I'm just gonna kill myself. Yeah! And I will see you guys later. Bye.